Hello students, this is second lecture of basics of 2D coordinate geometry. In this lecture we will cover what is distance formula. Distance formula means, literally speaking, distance formula means finding the distance between 2 points. Suppose this is 2 points P and Q, we will have to find the distance between these 2 points. So how to find? So we are dealing with coordinate geometry. So obviously this 2 point has some coordinates, say x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so we can write let P of x1 y1 and Q of x2 y2 be 2 points. Okay, then distance between P and Q is given by distance between P and Q is given by PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so how to form this distance formula? For that we need to suppose this is our P and this is our Q. Okay, so this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1. Let us draw a Cartesian coordinate system. So this x1 y1 and x2 y2 is with respect to the origin O. This is y axis, this is x axis. So this is the distance we need to find. So let us draw some parallel lines perpendicular lines. PM is perpendicular to OX, QN is perpendicular to OX, and PR is perpendicular to QN. Okay, so these are the basic drawings that we have done. Perpendicular to OX, QN, perpendicular to OX, and PR perpendicular to QN. Okay, so in triangle PQR, it is clear that angle R is 90 degree. Okay, so you can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, your PQ, this distance PQ square, is equal to PR square plus QR square. Okay, so we need to find the PQ. So to find PQ, we need to find what? We need to find this PR and QR. So what is the PQ? PQ is nothing but square root of PR square plus QR square. Okay, fine. So we have to find what is PR and QR. For that we have to draw the diagram again. So this is our P, this is Q, this is the diagram. Okay, this is M, this is N, this is R. Okay, here it is x1 y1, here it is x2 y2. Okay, now what is PR? Let's find what is PR. PR is nothing but Mn. What is Mn? Mn is nothing but On minus Om. So what is my On? On is nothing but x2, x coordinate of Q, and Om is x coordinate of P. So this is x1. Now find what is QR. This QR is nothing but Qn minus Rn. Now what is Qn? Qn is y2 minus Rn is same as Pm, so this is nothing but y2 minus Pm is y coordinate of P, that is y1. So clearly we got the value of PR, we got the value of QR. Putting the value of PR and QR in the above expression, we can find that PQ is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Fine. So this is how we can find PQ, and this is called the famous distance formula. How to use it? So let's have a problem. We do the problem session in the end of each unit. So just I'm showing how to apply the distance formula. So the question will be like this: find the distance between A 3, 2 and B minus 1, 1. Okay. So ultimately we find AB. What is AB? The distance formula is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. So x2, sorry, let's no problem if there are 3 also, but let us assume that this is x, this is x2 y2 and this is x1 y1. Okay, so better if I denote it x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, then this is x2 minus y2 means minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. So this is minus 4 whole square plus 1, or better write minus 1 whole square. So this is nothing but 16 plus 1 is square root of 17. So this is how we can apply the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points. Okay, so I'm concluding this video. In the next video we will know how to find, or we'll discuss about section formula actually. So section formula, distance formula and area of triangle are few important parts of basics, foundation of this coordinate geometry. Okay, till then, goodbye.